Welcome back, everybody, to part 2 of this lesson. We're going to use the exponent rules we just got some practice on to solve some simple, relatively simple equations. The first one here is x to the 4th equals 16. To solve this, we need just x, right? We need x equals something. So we need to get rid of that exponent, that 4. Now the exponent on our answer will end up being 1. And so one way to solve this would be figuring out a way for us to make the exponent 1 rather than 4. Well, if we look over here, we've got a property that says if we take a power to a power, we multiply those exponents. So what can you multiply 4 by in order to get 1? Well, it'd be 1/4. So you could take both sides of the equation to the 1/4 power. That'll give us x equals 16 to the 1/4. Now we use some other properties of exponents to figure out what the heck this is. Now the bottom number in the fraction, that's the root. So this is the 4th root of 16. So you got to think of what 4 numbers I can multiply together that are all the same. They give me 16. Well, that's 2. So 16 to the 1/4 is 2, and that is our solution. Let's take a look at this next one. Now we've got an exponent of -3/2. Again, we want that to be a 1. If that's a 1, we can finish solving in really simply. So what do we multiply -3/2 by in order to get 1? Well, you multiply by -2/3. So we could take both sides of this to the -2/3 power. Now -3/2 times -2/3 is 1, and we're just left with -x equals -27 to the -2/3 power. Again, you can do the negative, the 2, and the 3. Take care of those in any order you want. I'm going to do the 3 first. Now the bottom number is the root. So we've got the cube root of -27. Now, the cube root of -27 is -3. Because -3 times -3 times -3 is -27. We've got -x equals -3 to the -2 power. Again, the 3's gone now down here because we just took the cube root. I'm going to do the negative next. A negative exponent means you flip it over. So we're going to flip over -3. We get -1/3. Now we square that. -1 squared is 1. 3 squared is 9. So we get -x equals 1/9. That means if we divide both sides by -1 to get rid of this, we get x equals -1/9. There is our solution there. Let's take a look over here. First thing here we got to do is get rid of that 3. Now that 3, we're just going to divide both sides by 3. That'll get rid of it. X to the 4/3 equals 16. Now it's time to get rid of that exponent. So what do I multiply 4/3 by in order to get 1? That's what we need in order for it to be solved. Well, it's 3/4. So we're going to take both sides here to the 3/4 power. 4/3 times 3/4 is 1. So we got x to the 1, or just x, 16 to the 3/4. Now we need to figure out what 16 to the 3/4 is. Again, you can do the 3 and the 4 in any order you want. Without a calculator, I can't, in my head, do 16 to the 3rd power. I'm going to train my brain to do that very well. I can take the 4th root, though, so I'm going to start with the 4th root. The 4th root of 16 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So we got 2 to the third. Again, now 4 disappeared because we just took the 4th root of 16. Now 2 to the third I can do in my head. That's 8. So we get x equals 8. And there is our solution. Let's take a look at this last one right here. Again, kind of similar to that one. We got to get rid of this -2 first. So we're going to divide both sides by -2. You get the cube root of x squared equals 9. Again, dividing both sides by -2. Now this is the power, or 2 is the power here, and 3 is the root. So we can actually change this to x to the 2/3. Those two mean the same thing. Now, I want this to be a 1 in order for it to be solved. Now, if you multiply 2/3 by 3/2, it's a 1. So we're going to take both sides of this equation to the 3/2 power. So 2/3 times 3/2 again is 1. So we just get x to the 1, the first power. Now the 9 to the 2/3, again, or sorry, 3/2. We can do the 2 and the 3 in any order we want. Doesn't matter, either of the ways will work. I can't do 9 to the 3rd in my head, at least not yet. I haven't trained my brain to do that yet. So I'm not going to do the 3 first. You can if you want. I can take the square root, that's the 2 on the bottom, the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So we've got 3 to the 3rd. Again, the 2 disappeared because that was the square root that I just did. Now 3 to the 3rd is 27. So our solution is 27. There we go. Give that problems on that worksheet a try. Bring your questions tomorrow. Have a great day.